Good morning, dear students. This is chemistry period, and this is our chapter number first, matter in our surrounding. Okay, so first of all, what is mean by matter? Matter means any object that having particular mass. Mass means weight, that having particular mass and it occupies certain space. That means it having certain volume. Okay, so that means it is a matter. So there are the physical nature of matter. So these are the physical properties of matter. Today we will one more time we will discussing this property because these properties are very important. So first property is matter is made up of particles. Okay, the matter is actually the matter. Any matter we can take, either we can take chair, table, or the whatever the thing which having we in our surrounding, which is made up of the tiny particles. Okay, now the particles of matter are very tiny. That means these particles are very small size particles. Okay, this any object can be made of the very small particles. Okay, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो हमारे सराउंडिंग में है वो बहुत स्मॉल पार्टिकल से बनता है. थर्ड पॉइंट, the particles of matter have space between them. See, the object is made up of the small particles and these particles having space between them. उन पार्टिकल में छोटी छोटी स्पेसेस होती है. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट हैविंग particles and there is spaces in between that particles. Okay, now third point, the particles of matter have space. Okay, now fourth one, the particles of matter are continuously moving. Whatever the object we take, and it is made up of small particles and these particles are in a continuously motion. That means in a moving state. Now fourth point, the particles of matter attract each other. See, there will be certain force of attraction between the each particles of the matter. Okay, there will be certain force of attraction between the each particle of matter so that they are attracted with each other. So for this there are some activity given. We just see the activity. First activity is matter is made up of the small particles or particles. So for explanation of this, there is an activity given. We have to take a beaker. Into that beaker we have to take a water up to certain level. Okay, now we have to add a mixture of sugar or salt. We take here salt. Now we have to stir this mixture with the glass rod. After stirring, what we observed, this level of the water is not got increased. Why this happening? Because why this happened? Because see this third point, the particles of matter have space between them. That means the particles of water have spaces between them so that these salt particles are fitted into that spaces and this level is not got increasing. Okay, now same the next activity is given. So see this next activity. Now this second activity, see this activity. The particles of matter are very tiny. That means the particles of matter are very small particle. Okay, the activity, see this activity, what we have to do here, dissolve 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate. Okay, instead of potassium permanganate we can also take the 2-3 drops of Dettol. Everyone having the Dettol in their home. Okay, so we can take here example of Dettol also, but we take the example of potassium permanganate. We have to take the 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate in 100 ml water beaker. See, we have to take the beaker. Here we have to take the 100 ml water first. 100 ml water. Okay, now we have to add 2-3 crystals of the potassium permanganate. Then what happened, the solution is looking like this color, purple color. Okay, now take 10 ml of this solution and dissolve into the another 100 ml beaker. हमें क्या करना है, उसमें से 10 ml लेकर नेक्स्ट 100 ml beaker में ऐड करना है. ओके, वेयर ऑलरेडी 100 ml water is over there. Okay, and we have to add this 10 ml of this first beaker. Now we have to repeat this procedure up to 5 to 6 times. Okay, what we observed here, we observed that this color, that means the beaker of first color is a very dark and beaker of last color is very faint. Why this is happening? But the color is not totally disappear. Color totally disappear हुआ है क्या? No. That means clearly shows that this small crystals, that means small 2-3, only 2-3 crystals is coloring the large amount of the water. From first beaker to last beaker we can easily see the color. Okay, this show that few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of the water. This show that the few crystals of the potassium permanganate can color the large volume of water. That means large amount of water 2-3 crystal of potassium permanganate color कर सकते हैं. That means the particle of matter are very tiny. मैटर के जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो बहुत स्मॉल इन साइज होते हैं एंड दे कैन कलर लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. And because are millions of the tiny particles of crystals. Okay, because there are millions of tiny particles in each crystals. Here we take only 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate. Okay, but into that 2-3 crystal there are number of millions of small particles. From this line we can easily concluded that the millions of tiny particles into that each crystals, हमने 3 ही crystal लिए हैं and into that crystals millions of tiny particles also present, and from that tiny particles large amount of water is colored. Okay, so it is clear that the particles of matter are very tiny. Now next topic, see, this activity we had done. Now characteristics of particles of matter. Next topic is a characteristics of particles of matter. There are 3 characteristics. Particles of matter have space between them. Yes. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Okay, and third one is particles of matter attract each other. So explanation of this all characteristics we will discussing in next class. Okay, so these are the characteristics we you have to remember only. There are 3 main characteristics of the particle of matter. Okay, 3 main characteristics which are particles of matter have space between them. First characteristics is a particles of matter have space between. So there is 3 important characteristics we have to learn. Okay, so this we will discussing in next class. So here we stop, dear students.